Here's how to upload a video into ScreenPal. I have ScreenPal open, I'm logged in. I am in the upload section. I'll show you really quickly how I found that. So once you're logged in, you'll see up here on the top right, upload. You'll see a similar thing on mobile. Then you're gonna simply click upload. It'll open up whether you're on Mac or HP or whatnot, you will be able to find whatever it is you want to download or upload. And then once you select it, it will pop up here. It will start downloading. And then once you have it downloaded, you'll be able to go into details and you can rename it, anything like that. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to organize it, rename it, and share it. Now that it's uploaded, this is what it will look like once it's uploaded, and you'll have all these different options. You can title it, do all kinds of things. You can click this and it will allow you to share it. You can make your own custom link, direct link. There's a ton of ways. You can email this, you can put it on social, you could put it in anything really, anywhere you want to put a link, you can send it to somebody even via text. You can put it on your website, all those things. It allows you to embed it. It's very cool. You can change the controls. It's really, really fabulous.